Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday!
Taya.
Stay pretty!
When you pull me close,
Happy birthday, babe!
to the high,
Happy birthday, yeah!
one knows. But it hurts when the night is still. Star-crossed lovers are doomed to lose. I can tell wrong from right, but I feel so alive. What a tragedy in disguise. Some kind of beautiful. Your signal finds me glowing in the static. Maybe it's worth it though. You bend the light, the way you move is magic. And the fever's automatic. I don't care if this love is cruel or tragic. Some kind of beautiful. Only you can reach me through the static.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo na walang salitang makakatumbas sa pagmamahal namin sa'yo bilang kapatid mo. Hindi man din ako makatulong or laman akong pera. Andiyan ka. Yung pagmamahal mo, yun yung nagbibigay lagi sa amin ng lakas.
It's close.
Well, pretty wonderful to witness a beautiful journey of a wonderful woman who have been so inspiring to everybody tonight.
But I feel so alive. What a tragedy, my
Thank you sa pagmamahal. Sa pagmamahal niyo sa amin na sa amin nila Jom. Yan ang sa amin niya. Thank you. Salamat sa lahat-lahat.
You bend the light, the way you move is magic.
Blessing ka sa lahat ng tao, sa pamilya mo, sa mga kaibigan mo, sa mga kilala mo.
I don't care if this love is cruel or
Lagi ako nandito para sa'yo. Handa ako makinig. Mahal kita. Happy birthday!
only you can reach me through the static. Some kind of beautiful, some kind of beautiful.
Happy birthday, Mami Iya! Stay beautiful as you are, Mommy. Stay gorgeous.
Continue to be a blessing to others.
Stay happy. Stay humble. Stay generous. Stay beautiful.
I don't care if this love is cruel or tragic. Some kind of beautiful. Only you can reach me through the static.
Happy birthday. Sana nag-enjoy ka sa party mo, and I love you. I love you so much.
I would take the stars out of the sky for you.
Happy birthday, Mommy. I wish na lagi kang masaya.
If you ask me to, I'd do anything.
Wish ko sana maging successful pa yung pamumuhay natin, and sana maging good health. Kasi yun yung importante, na maging good health ka sa araw-araw na ginagawa natin.
There must be some other way to make you see.
Yan, sobrang grateful ako
If
kasi
it takes my
nakaabot
heart,
ako
so
sa
you
40th
know I
birthday
pay
ko.
the
And
price.
nag-wish ako kay Lord na bigyan niya pa ako ng maraming
possess,
birthday.
I'd gladly sacrifice. You to me are everything, the sweetest song that I could sing. Oh, baby.
Sobrang happy and
Oh,
grateful.
baby.
First and foremost kay Lord kasi binigyan niya ako ng buhay na hindi natin masabing sobrang gaan kasi may mga pagsubok, pero nalalagpasan kasama niya.
Give me just a taste of love to build my hopes upon. You know you got the power, girl, to keep me holding on. So now you've got the best of me. Come on and take the rest of me.
Papasalamat ako sa Diyos sa 40 years and more na binibigay niya sa'yo. Di ba, hindi ka nagkaroon ng dabu. Pero ngayon, alam ko gusto ni Mami. Makita ka.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Thank you sa lahat at binibigay mo sa akin lahat na kahit anong gusto ko.
If it takes forever, girl, then I'm prepared.
sana wag kang magbago, ano man yung mga nangyayari sa atin. And salamat sa lahat ng walang sawang pagmamahal.
You to me are everything, the sweetest song that I could sing. Oh, baby.
Yun naman lagi kong pinagpe-pray na laging safe yung mga anak ko at yung husband ko. At syempre pati ako. Kasi kailangan maging malusog din kaming mag-asawa para din sa mga anak namin. Mapalaki namin silang malusog, walang sakit, mabuting tao, at ayun, makapagtapos sa pag-aaral sila.
You know you got the power, girl, to keep
Lahat ng problema, kaya mo yan. Andito lang ako yan.
the best of me. Come on.
Congratulations para sa narating mo sa buhay. At nawa ay stay humble.
Oh, you to me are everything, the sweetest song